What causes the root pressure development? Root pressure is primarily generated by the active transport of minerals and water into the roots from the soil. This process leads to the buildup of water in the roots and creating a pressure that forces the water up through the plant. So the active absorption of ions like potassium ions create a lower water potential inside the root, causing the water to move into the root from the soil through osmosis. So here the answer will be option B, active absorption. Coming to option A, increase in transpiration, and option D, passive absorption. Though they can influence the water movement, they are not the main cause of root pressure. So option A and D are incorrect. Coming to option C, low osmotic potential in soil. This is also incorrect because low osmotic potential in the soil will typically reduce the water uptake by the roots rather than increase pressure. So that means the correct answer is option B.